Are you an arts partner seeking new school partners? Let's find some together. For example, if Prime Stage Theater is looking to bring their literacy and action program to more schools, especially the in-person piece, they can use artlook to conduct a customized search. Let's go to the homepage. From here, we can use the advanced filters to narrow our search, starting with schools interested in theater. And next, schools looking for performance and workshops, and schools that are actively looking for partnerships. With these results, we have some options. You can click Contact School to initiate an email conversation with the school's artlook liaison. You can click on the school to learn more about their arts education offerings, teachers, partnerships, and more. You can also export your search results and get a spreadsheet with all of these contacts to follow up when you're ready. How will you use artlook SWPA to find an arts partner today?